to our folded leaf position. Okay, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and dangle. Now first cue, Chanel, will you please bring the bottoms of your feet together to form a diamond with your knees? Perfect. Now I'm going to open my knees, and will you reach through my legs, grabbing onto your ankles? Perfect. Now I'm going to, sorry? Yep, now I'm going to provide support to your back, pushing up here, right? So this is the initial one. This one's not super important where I'm bracing. I just want to get this angle so that I can lock her up between my calves, and then give myself that moment to reposition. Come close, come close.
Yeah,
right. So you were trying to bring her down towards you instead of pushing up through. So now is when this is where the alignment becomes really important. Okay. So I'm going in here, and now look at this here, L, right? Really perpendicular on this line. Boom, boom. Okay, and now, so that's the first check. Now, my second check, where are my knuckles in relation to her spine, right? And so I have straight line here, that's parallel to the spine, which is exactly what I want. And now I make sure that it's offset, so that basically where this groove to the side is where my alignment is with the knuckles, with my knuckles.
So it's not actually on the erector.
It's not. It's just to the side, yeah. And that's what I was trying to say before. So it might be, you could either cue that by either a ½ inch, like about a ½ inch off of the spine itself, or just by that alignment. And now look at this though. This is why, right? You see how the finger knuckle grooves out like that? It fits perfectly. Right? So it sits right in that groove. It's like a Lego, right? And now I'm gonna come here. Now I start to let the legs come down while keeping this support. Watch this arm, totally straight, totally rigid. How you doing, Chanel?
Yeah,
good. Good, okay. So then this starts to come down, same alignment. Now slowly, and this is my first check too of the transition. It's good, okay? Now my second check, this arm comes around, natural twist, right? I know that I have her good. I can hold her here good, support it, right? Now I'm aligning here. So the heel is on right the outside of the quad there, right? And then the same thing on this side. And that's setting up for the positioning to be perfect when she comes through.
Yeah.
That's good.
Baking a fucking cake, huh?
Oh yeah. One tasty cake.
Yeah, cool. And then now stay down here, stay down, yeah, for the out. Okay, so now with the out, right? My first move, I'm not coming in the neck because that's a lot, right? I'm coming to the shoulder. Again, get the head up away from the ground. Because what are we doing fundamentally? We're bringing the legs down and the head up. That's what bringing her down to the ground is, right? Now from here, I'm going to bring the knees in, and she just transitions. And now look at my feet. See that nice dorsiflex I got going on? Right out.
Right up and out.